What is happening YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to be talking about something different and interesting. So we're going to be talking about Lamborghini and the reason why they don't advertise on television. So if you watch a lot of TV or stream a lot of services or you're online, you'll very rarely see an advert for Lamborghini, especially for those who watch a lot of television. Now, if you don't know who Lamborghini are, it's an Italian supercar maker who started as a company to compete with Ferrari. They were bought over by the German automaker Volkswagen through their Audi subsidiary. So they are owned by the Germans at the moment. However, they make amazing cars and dream machines to this day, and they sell a lot of them despite never running any commercials on television. Now, before I get into the reason why Lamborghini doesn't advertise on television, because that is a clear, simple one-liner answer, and that's from Lamborghini themselves. Let's look into why they don't advertise. Now, Lamborghini makes some of the most amazing and exciting and beautiful cars in the world. They're all about luxury, they're all about speed, and they're all about standing out from the crowd. But there's something very interesting about Lamborghini. Although they sell so many units and it's a brand that's recognised everywhere around the world, from your A-listers to film stars to musicians, they will, in their car collection, most likely have a Lamborghini. Despite them never actually advertising or running commercials on the television. Now, why is it that they do that? And the reason is pretty clear. Lamborghini say, and this is from their own website, we don't do commercials because our target audience isn't sitting around watching TV. Now, that is genius marketing, because they're sort of confirming a lot about what their cars are and who they're for. So in a nutshell, they're saying our cars aren't for people that have the time to sit and watch television. They're not for people that are lazy. They're not for people who have free time and in their free time they just sit and watch television. Their cars are for the go-getters, the A-listers, the celebrities, the people that don't have time and they're always busy doing something. And you need to remember, Lamborghini cars aren't for everyone. As I mentioned, they're for your A-listers, for your celebrities, for your film stars, for your musicians. And these are guys that don't sit about spending time watching television or binging Netflix or whatever it may be. Therefore, it's pointless for Lamborghini as a company to advertise their product to people who are not sitting about watching television. It's just not the best way to catch their attention. Like, Lamborghinis are more than a car. It's a status symbol, it's a dream, it's what people thrive for, and it's a confirmation that you have made it big, you've made it in life. Now, rather than seeing a Lamborghini advert in between a film or two programs that you're watching, you're more likely to hear about them in a much cooler fashion. For example, Lamborghini is all about their customer and making their customer feel special. Now, it's sort of clever marketing, but it's a sort of two-way street. Now, Lamborghini is well known for actually giving their cars to individuals that will show off their cars and talk about their cars. So if there's a fancy or an exclusive event, most likely Lamborghini will want to make sure that their car is in that event and it's talked about and it's seen, whether it be a new model or just the Lamborghini brand that's actually being advertised there. Because it's a good way for Lamborghini to create that strong bond with their customers and make them feel very special and make them feel exclusive. Another way Lamborghini actually advertise is through social media. Now, if you've bought a Lamborghini, most likely you're going to be tagging Lamborghini and taking photographs of your car and sharing it with the world so everybody knows and everybody aspires for that. So in a way, they don't really need to focus too much on advertising because the product sells itself, especially if it's a musician or a celebrity that you follow or someone famous. Most likely they have a Lamborghini in their collection and you will follow them and you'll see that they've got a Lamborghini, and in a way it is free advertisement for the company. So that's more on a personal level, but on a corporate level, Lamborghini actually has very close ties with its customers, especially influencers on social media and A-listers who actually fit that Lamborghini lifestyle. And it's clever by usually just actually giving the cars to someone that's got 10 million, 20 million followers on social media, because what it's doing is it's providing a product to an influencer who's then sharing that with millions and millions of people around the world. Again, that way people that don't even know what a Lamborghini is know about the brand, know about the car, and again, something that they aspire for and something that they dream about. And the last way that they actually advertise is actually a very, very cool way of doing it, is they basically make sure that their products are head turning and that they're the talk of the town. They're talked about all the time. So first of all, they build amazing cars, but the colours that they'll choose, they'll make sure that it's something that's very, very flashy, very, very in your face, very, very out there. So if a normal car drives past, most likely you won't even bat an eyelid, as they say. But if a Lamborghini went past, everybody on that street and on that road, from young children all the way to grown adults, will know that's a Lamborghini head turning and will talk about it. And when they talk about it, that's another way that they advertise the product. So it's a bit of a short video, but I just found it very, very interesting because I was actually thinking Lamborghini is such a big company. Everybody knows what a Lamborghini is. Everybody aspires to have a Lamborghini, but yet they don't advertise on television, and I've never seen a commercial. And it's very, very simple. They're not going to advertise their product on television because that's not where their audience is. Now, television advertising is very, very expensive. However, it's sort of a two-way pronged, as I mentioned, because one, they're saving the cost, and secondly, they're sort of saying that this is an exclusive product. It's not for you people that sit about and binge watch regular television. Our customers are people that don't have the time and are always busy, and they fit the Lamborghini lifestyle. In a way, they're saying you're lazy if you're sitting about watching television all day and the Lamborghini is not for you. But if you're out there making it and making it big and you have a big following, then Lamborghini will want to get in touch with you. Lamborghini would want you as a customer, and they will build that strong bond, and they'll make sure that you are seen in their product, because that is natural, organic marketing rather than shoving it into your face on a television advert. But then again, we can all just dream. So if you like this video and the sort of content I'm bringing out, then please definitely subscribe, definitely like, definitely share with your friends. I really, really enjoy what I'm doing, and would love for you guys to support and get in touch, and let me know how I'm doing, and if there's any other topics about money or finance or philosophy or advertisement or whatever it may be that you want me to cover, they're more than happy to oblige. Thanks for watching.